How to check your upvotes on Reddit. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Reddit. And once you do that, click on the profile avatar or picture at the top right corner of the screen. Then click on history. And once you're here, at the top left corner of the screen, you will see a drop down. Click on it. And from the given pop-up window at the bottom, click on Upvoted. And here you will be able to find all of your upvoted posts on your Reddit account. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find and see and check your upvotes on Reddit. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.